of the column system, and it's included 10 pieces of the components driver inside. It's with 4.5 the low, and the top is 1 inch, so it's 9 pieces of 4.5 inch, and the 1 inch for the high, and below is the single 18 the neodymium base, neodymium for the active column system. So left and right side, both sides, you can prepare for the 1,000 people outdoor events. It's not a problem. So with T.I Audio focus on every detail of the speakers. All the painting, we use the polyneal painting for this column system. And also the connecting parts, we use these connecting parts from the base to the column system, and you can easily to remove the column to the base, and also to the upside connecting, use all the connecting equipment. So the back side of the system is using a active 3-channel active model for this. So it's 3 channel, 1 channel for the bass and 1 channel for the up column system and the bass. So it's with the 3 channel of the active model for this column system. This column system is very easy to connect and operate. So we're gonna show you how to connect and how to open the speaker when you use the simulator to plug and play. Welcome to T.I Audio.